Hi there, boys and girls. This is story number 11, lesson number 1. And as you know, in lesson number 1, you're introduced to new words that will show up in the story. And Tops and I are so glad to be back. We had a great time just enjoying family and friends. Yeah. Okay, so we need to discuss the vowel O. We've already talked about A, we've already talked about I, and I believe I introduced you to the O in the previous lesson. But if I haven't, you're being introduced to it now. Okay, so here we go. This is the letter O. As you can see, here is our picture to remind us of the sound of the O. Ah, as in ostrich. Ah. All right, so that sounds very important because it's going to be in the words that we're going to be creating, that we're going to be building. All right, so these are the letters that we'll be using today in today's lesson. We have A, I, O, B, uppercase F, G, G. All right, this is a little bit faded here, but we're going to live with it. L, U, uppercase M, and for some reason this sort of got erased, and so I'm just going to have to actually fix it right now, and as well as that L that you just saw. All right, then we also have N, S, T, K, X, which we're going to introduce over here, talk about that. We may have talked about it before, but we're going to go back to it. Then we have the letter P. Oh, jeez. Okay, here we go, right there. Got to be able to see it, right? P, P. I have an uppercase O here because we're going to be using it in one of the words. All right, and then we have X here. And X doesn't make a sound by itself. It has to have the combination of a K and an S. K, K, with the S, makes the sound of X, X. That is the X sound. All right, now let's go ahead and build our words. All right, we are going to start with, we're going to bring down the B, add OP. OP makes the sound of op. Put the B in front of it, B, B. And you get bop, bop. All right, and we are going to take away the P, replace it with an X. And we do that, we get the word box, box. All right, and we are now going to take away the B, and we're going to just have OX, except that we're going to have a capital O, an uppercase O with the X. And now we have ox. So since we're using an uppercase letter, ox is probably going to be the name. Yeah, right on. Tops is right. He was going to remind me, but I was just about to say it, wasn't I? All right. Ox is going to be the name of a character in the story. I'm almost sure of it. And Tops says, yes, it is. Because he's already read the story. But, you know, I read so many stories, I can't remember all of them that I read, Tops. All right, but thank you for reminding me, or trying to help me out here. Okay. All right. So now, we have another name. All right, we're going to use an uppercase F. And we're going to bring OX over, and now we have fox. So notice that you have the uppercase F, or let's say capital F, fox. So it looks like we have two names of characters here that will be in today's story. Well, in story number 11. Okay. So now let's move to, we're still going to use the O. So we're going to put that O here, the vowel O. We're going to add a T behind it, after it, and this is pronounced ought. ought. This word chunk is pronounced ought. And we're going to add a G in front of it. And G makes the sound of G, G. So this word is got. Got. We're going to replace the G with an N. And now we're going to have the word not. Not. We have another character. We still have the O. We're going to put an N after it. On, and we're going to add an uppercase L or a capital L. And we have the name lawn. Lawn. All right, now the other names and words that we're going to be using are we're going to be using, no more, we're not going to be using the O. We're going to either be using an A, or an I, to do these names and words that will be in the story. All right, so let's get started. We have a capital M, uppercase M, and we have an X there. X, X. So here we have Max. Max. And you can see it's an uppercase M, so therefore it's a character, name of a character. All right, and let's see, we have, we're just going to take away the M, replace it with a lowercase s, and we have sax, short for saxophone, an instrument that you play, sax. All right, and if we take away the vowel A, I'm going to bring it down here. Now, if we take away that A and we replace it with an I, the word has changed because you have a different vowel. So instead of having sax, if we know the sound for the I, which is we have the word six. Six, the number 6. All right, we're going to take away the X, replace it with a T. So instead of having 6, we're now going to have sit. Sit. And we add an S after the T, so instead of having sit, we now have another word, and I did make that S just a little bit too large, so I'm going to fix that. Now we have the word sits. Sits. All right, let's go ahead and go over these words that we've created, that we've built for this story. We'll also repeat them again at the beginning of lesson number 2 for story number 11. All right, so we have bop, box, ox, fox, got, not, 6. We have lawn, max, sax, and sits. Okay, boys and girls, Tops and I say bye, and we look forward to seeing you in lesson number 2. Bye-bye.